So good morning. Today's gonna be a cool day. Actually, my buddy Pontiac Dave and I are going to an elementary school to speak, basically like a career day, tell them about cars, corrupt their little minds. Something we did last year, but this year we should have like probably 10 more cars with us. So let me show you what I gotta do. First, I gotta move this Pontiac 400 out of the way. That's going into the Firebird later. Move this engine hoist, of course. But also, I gotta put a gasket on this carburetor because, come to find out, there wasn't much of a gasket on it. Took it off, cleaned it the other day because it was running like crap. Well, it ran like crap last time I started, which was like, I don't know, October, November, something like that. Actually, probably December, 6 months ago, when we moved the shop around. So yeah, got to finish hooking up all the stuff back into the carburetor, all the good stuff. I fixed the fuel pump leak, and yeah, so I'll put all that back together. I need to switch the wheel back on, back there on the other red line. Put that back on, pump up the passenger tire, and clean out all these parts that I've been using this as a storage shelf for the last, I don't know, year. And then yeah, they're ready to go. So I got about 2 hours. I dropped off one of my batteries to get charged. I'm charging another one right now just in case. And also, I couldn't do this without my little man. You know, who better to talk about career day to a bunch of kids than a 4-year-old that knows more cars than most adults. So we're gonna go get him, and I'm picking him up early from school. He has no idea I'm coming, no idea I'm driving to Chevelle. So I'm gonna just bust up in the classroom and get him. So yeah, let's get this ready. Everything should be buttoned up. I know you're probably wondering why do you have a 2-barrel in there still? Just time constraints, man. I have a 4-barrel and an Edelbrock intake ready for it, but I ain't got time to do it right now. So this will be the first start up in like 6 months. Already got a fuel leak. All right, take 2. Okay, looks like the fuel leak has stopped. it all the way real on this channel. All right, so we hit the gas station real quick and go get my Lumia. So as I'm driving, I'm reminded that, yes, I in fact did not change my power steering pump. So I'm about to get my Popeye on today. I didn't do that, and I didn't put my rear valance on. But besides that, we're top back.
Goodbye, my boy. Where are you going?
Come on, we're about to go this way.
Going that way. Daddy parked that way.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. What's up, my baby?
Hi, alligator.
We're gonna go somewhere special.
Is it Sky Zone?
No, not Sky Zone, but it's also special.
Wait, teacher, Ray.
Come on, we gotta roll, man. We're getting out of school early, so we're going on a little field trip. Man, it's been so long since I've been in a school, an elementary school. What were you guys doing? What were you guys doing?
This is not elementary school.
There's not elementary kids in here also? Yeah, there is.
There is.
Yeah. What were you guys doing?
Because.
Huh? Come on.
Zero. Be quiet.
Okay, come on, let's roll. Let's go. I don't want to go to the principal's office. Okay, let's roll. Come on, this way. I parked out front.
Well, you have to teach your value.
You know it. You know it. Only the coolest. What do you think? It's been a while since we drove in it, huh? Let's go, baby.
Is this a car show?
Yeah, at a middle school. All right, so Zay, you want to know why we're here? You want to know why we're at the school, at Lakota Middle School? Because we're going to teach the kids about cars. And especially old school cars, muscle cars and stuff. So they wanted you to come and talk to them, let them know what they can do when they grow up, or even what they can do now. What do you think about that? You help them with the cars? You help them know what kind of cars these are? What kind of car did we bring? Yeah, what's that one over there? Too easy. Well, let's go look at the rest of the cars, all right?
You're too
You're too easy.